all are safe in home. Right? Already in the previous class I told you about the S and S. SM is nothing but the medium social distance. Right? Now, second one is mask. Right? Where we need to cover our face with the mask, and here make sure that our hand should not touch our face. And the S is of sanitizer. So frequently for every 2 hours to 3 hours we need to wash our hands with the help of with the help of soap. We can use any soap, whatever is available in our home. Now, I hope you all are ready with your things, that is pencil, eraser and textbook. Please concentrate when the lesson is going on and put the finger. Right? Please pay attention to the class. Now, coming to the topic, yesterday in the previous class we have discussed about the latitudes. Right? That is a part of our second lesson about the latitudes and longitudes we have discussed. Now, among these two, here the latitudes say about the width. Just recap of the lesson. And here the latitude says about the length. About the length. Now, in the last class we have discussed that latitudes here, the lines which are moving from the east to west. Right? The lines which are moving from east to west is known as latitudes, as they are parallel, as they are not joining with each other. They are separating. So here we can't able to see these two lines are joining at one point. So there is an equal gap between the two lines. And these lines are opposite to each other. So these latitudes also known as parallels. Parallels of latitudes. Right? Now here we have total 180 latitudes. 90 latitudes towards the north direction and 90 latitudes towards the south direction. And here one largest latitude is that is known as the equator. That is the equator, which is dividing at 0 degrees. Along with the latitude, along with the equator, we have total 181 latitudes, and latitudes are helpful to locate the places very easily. Now, yesterday we have done, right? In the previous class we have done these all things. Now, moving to the next topic, that is about the longitudes. Right? LONGITUDES. Right? Now, page number 375. I hope you are ready with your textbooks. Now, longitudes are imaginary lines that drawn from the North Pole to South Pole. These lines are not parallel to each other. Here, in the latitudes, we can see the lines parallel to each other. But in the longitudes, they are not parallel. Now here, this is the shape of the earth. Already in the previous class, we have learned that latitudes and the longitudes are the imaginary lines. Right? They are made by the scientists for the convenience and to make it very easy to understand the locations. Right? Now here you can observe. Here, this is the equator. Right? At 0 degrees. And here we have the east direction, and here we have the west. Here we have the north, and down we have the south. The lines which are going across all the latitudes from the North Pole to South, these all lines are known as longitudes. And here you can observe all the latitudes are parallel to each other. They are not intersecting at any one point. Now here in the same way, here all the longitudes also, all the longitudes are going across the latitudes, and here you can see they are not in a semicircle shape. So now the meridian that passes through the Greenwich. Now how we have the middle line, and we are naming as the equator for the largest latitude. In the same way, here we have the middle line which divides the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere into the equal halves. This line is known as the meridian, and it is at 0 degrees. And this meridian we can able to locate at Greenwich. Greenwich is a village which we can able to locate in London. And London is the capital of United Kingdom, nothing but the Britain country. Right? Now here the largest latitude is equator, and a middle line which is dividing both the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere equally. That line is known as a meridian. But for the meridian we have a different names. Now the meridian meridian is also called as prime meridian, and also it has one more name as it is going across the Greenwich in London. And here we have the Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian. Right? These are the important things about the longitudes. And we have in the latitudes we have the 180 degrees, but in the longitudes here we have the 360 degrees. Right here the hemisphere or the half of the sphere which is moving towards the east direction, so these all longitudes we are having 180 degrees. Right, the same way the longitudes which are moving towards the western hemisphere is 180. Right, now 180 plus 180 is total 360. Latitudes are 180 degrees and longitudes are 360 degrees. Now here what are the important features? Now we have the special latitudes like Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle and Equator. In the same way here we have the different features. Those all are special latitudes, but here we don't have any special longitudes as we have for the latitude. But here we have some features for the longitudes, that is meridians of longitude are equal in length. So here all the longitudes are equal, they are having the same height. Now the distance between the two meridians is a maximum at the equator. So maximum means mostly they will go across with the equator. The meridians also help us to know about the time of a place. Right? Latitudes are helpful to locate the place and longitude are helpful for us to know about the time. Right? So with the help of the latitude and longitude, we can know about the place and we can be able to get the time of that particular place. Now moving to the locating places. Now how these all latitudes and longitudes are there. Right? In the same way, wherever we can see the intersection of both the latitudes and longitudes. Here we have latitudes, right? All the 7 important latitudes, and this is a Greenwich meridian. Here it is east, west, north, and south. Right? Now all the longitudes are coming from north to south. Right, better? Now here, wherever we have the latitudes and longitudes, this joining point, this intersecting point is known as grid. Right? Now with the help of this point, we can able to know the time and one particular location. So here we get the place and the time of that place. So this system is known as the grid system. The intersecting point of both the latitudes and longitudes, which are helpful to know about the place and about the time of that place. So here that system is known as the grid system. So with the help of these latitudes and the longitudes, we can able to locate the place accurately and we will get the exact time of that location. And here one more important point, what all the things, so here you also have the 0 degrees. what all the countries are moving towards the east direction. Right? Here the time will be added. The time will be added to all the places which are moving towards the east. And how much time is added to that here? 5.5 hours. Now from the one country to another country, if we keep on adding the 5.5 hours to the time, so here we get the time of that place. Suppose here we have now 8. Now 8 o'clock is going on. Now 8 plus 5, how much? 8 plus 5.5 hours. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here we don't have 30. Right? Here we take as a 1. Right? Now in the same way here when we are going towards the west direction, when we are going towards the west direction, here we can observe the minus timings, minus 5.5 hours we can take. So here the time is increasing and here the time is decreasing. Right? So here these locating the places are very easy when we have the exact latitudes and longitudes and about the degrees. So here these all things are very important to know about the one particular place. If you want to be a map maker, the person who makes the map is known as a cartographer. Right? Already in the last class we have discussed. The person who makes a map is known as a cartographer, and with the help of the latitudes and longitudes they can able to make the maps very easily. Now moving to the page number 377. Here we have a small checkpoint. Please take the pencil and eraser and hold the textbook in your hand properly and concentrate. Now name the following. 0 degree latitude. What is 0 degree latitude? Right? The 0 degree latitude is nothing but equator. Right, madam? Now next, lines that run from page 377 checkpoint. 0 degree latitude is equator. Lines that run from south to north poles is longitudes. Right? Now, third one. The network of latitudes and longitudes. Already just now we have discussed that. Latitudes and longitudes are helpful to know about the time and place. So, that system is known as grid. Now, moving to the fourth one, indicated as 90 degrees N. 90 degrees N is nothing but the North Pole. Already in the special latitudes we have discussed that all the 7 important latitudes, the things which are going, the latitudes which are moving towards the north will be indicated as a N, and all the latitudes which are moving towards the south is known as the S. Right? Now, moving to the picture study. Here you can able to see the picture study. Now, what is this picture? This is a picture of so what does the picture show? It shows about the grid. What's the first one here? Grid. Here we can see the intersection of the points which are helpful to know about the place and time. Now, how is it useful? Now, second answer will be it helps to know about place and time. Right? And here we have the checkpoint. The first answer is equator. Second answer is longitudes. Third one is grid. Fourth one is North Pole. And moving to the picture study here, the picture is about about the earth, which is divided into the latitudes and longitudes, and the connectivity, the intersecting point is known as grid. So first answer is grid. And how it is useful? It is helpful for us. It helps to know about the place and time. So with this we have done the lesson. Right? Now please take the fresh page of your classwork and write the date. Please make sure that your title, name of the lesson should be in the bold letters, that is the capital letters, and maintain the neat handwriting. Before going to do the classwork, we will finish off the page number 378 and 379 objective part. Right? Now exercise bit. Exercise bit. Page 378. First bit, choose the correct answer. A dash divides the earth into two equal halves. What's the first answer here? Equator. Equator divides the north and east, north and south equally into two halves. The imaginary lines that run from the north to south are called longitudes. Longitudes. Right? Now, the latitude at 23.5 degrees south is known as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Now, fourth one. All the meridians are equal in dash. Answer, length. All meridians are equal in length. Now, move to the fifth. The prime meridians passes through dash in London, Greenwich. Greenwich is a village. At Greenwich, we can see the 0 degree longitude. Right? These are the first three answers. Now, match the columns. Latitudes. Latitudes are parallels. B with first one. Better, here you have the column A and column B. In between the column A and B, you have to keep the brackets and write the answers there itself. Please don't do the matching. Just write the alphabets. Now, first one is latitudes, and latitudes answer is parallels, and answer is C. Now, longitudes. Longitudes are meridians. Right? They are equal in length. Now, what is the grid here? It is a network of lines. Network of lines answer is B. Now, moving to the fourth one, equator. What's the degree of equator? 0 degree. So, answer is E. Now, fifth one, prime meridian. It is a 0 degree longitude. So, here we have the answers of B. Now, give the correct answers. The imaginary lines that run from north to south is longitudes. Right, first one is longitudes. Now, the 0 degree latitude that divides the earth into two equal halves. Equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. Equator. Right? Now, the imaginary lines that run from east to west. East to west is latitudes. And north to south is longitudes. Right? Now, fourth one. The network of longitudes and latitudes is known as grid. It's known as grid. Now, fifth one. The latitude is 66.5 degree north. If it is a north, Arctic circle. If it is a south, it is an Antarctic circle. So, moving to the last bit of the lesson, that is the D bit, filling the blanks. I hope you all copied this part. The north pole is indicated as 90 degree N. Why? Because it is a north direction, so we are writing the N. If it is a south, we will write the S. The distance between the dash is equal, that is latitudes. Latitudes. Third one, dash lines are not parallel to each other. Longitudes, latitudes are parallel, but longitudes are not parallel. No. Fifth one. Fourth one. The distance between the two meridians is maximum at the equator. The prime meridian stands at 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude. Right? I hope you all have understood. Right? With this, we have done our lessons and remaining part we will do. Please copy down the homework. Your homework will be draw latitudes and longitudes in one time in homework. Right? Have a good day.